it? What do you want?
Noise complaint?
There ain't no noise here.
How's it going? I am Deputy Tristan Smith with Broward County Sheriff's Office.
No.
We got a noise complaint here. Loud banging noises and screaming.
No, there ain't no noise here.
No?
Go
Okay.
away.
Alright.
Hey,
Don't
I
shut
didn't
the door
tell
in
you
your
to come
face.
in here.
Don't shut that door. No, you're under arrest. Stop.
Under arrest.
Face away.
Get out
Face
of my
away.
house.
Face away.
You have a
Stop.
warrant. You need a
Stop.
warrant.
Stop it.
You have a
Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Uh, 217 County Roll EMS. I got shots fired, one white male down. Where you hit, sir? Where you hit, sir? Sir? Sir, are you with us?